Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer photos from your iPad mini 7th generation to your iPhone. So all you need to do is, for instance, go to the Photos app, and of course you can select multiple photos at once that you want to transfer. In order to do that, you can press select over here in the top right corner next to your avatar. Then you can start selecting photos or videos that you want to transfer. Then you can use this share button, which should be in the bottom left corner, and then you can, for instance, use AirDrop. Now, you can also just transfer only one photo as well. If you select the photo, if you open the photo, then you will find the same button, and also you can use AirDrop in order to do so. And keep in mind that you can also synchronize photos between both devices, between this iPad mini and your iPhone, by using iCloud. So for instance, if you go to the settings and then open your Apple account details settings, of course you want to make sure that you are using the same Apple account on both devices. Then you can go to iCloud, and then you can make sure that photos are actually synchronized on both devices. If they are synchronized over here, then every photo that is in the Photos app will be synchronized on other devices as well. Of course, this option should be enabled on all devices that you want the synchronization to be in. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!